Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a glitter text design using Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to elements, and then we're going to search a shape. Now we're going to change the color of that shape, adjust the size, now we're going to add the text. Change the font of the text. Adjust the size. Now we're going to save it as a PNG. We're going to maximize this so we can get good quality. Alright, now we're going to re-upload it to Canva, and we're going to get rid of this. We're going to upload, select it. Now we're going to go to edit photos, background remover, now we're going to go to elements, select the glitter background, adjust the size, send to back, adjust the size of this one, now we're going to save it as a PNG. Now we're going to get rid of this, and we're going to re-upload the design to Canva. Okay, so now we're going to go to edit photo, background remover, and we're going to scroll to effects, select shadow, then outline, change the size to 10, now we're going to duplicate, change the size, change the color, now we're going to send this one to the back. Change the color of the background. Alright, so now we're going to change this one. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.